Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to see your Discord Wrapped 2025. So if you want to check your top friends, most active servers, messages sent, favorite emojis, and everything you did on Discord this year, just follow along step by step. All right, let's dive in. Before anything else, you need to make sure your app is fully updated because Discord Wrapped is rolling out inside the newest version. So head to your App Store or Google Play Store, search for Discord, and check if there's an update available. If you don't see it yet, don't worry. Discord said it's rolling out gradually over the next few days. Now, once your app is updated, here's how to find your Wrapped. If you're on mobile, tap the U tab at the bottom right. You should see a big banner called Checkpoint. That's your Discord recap. If you're on desktop, look at the top right corner of your app and find the little flag icon. Click that, and it will open your full Discord Wrapped for 2025. But if you don't see it, there's one more important step, and a lot of people miss this part. We need to make sure Discord is allowed to use your activity data. So go back to your profile, tap the settings icon, scroll down to Data and Privacy, and look for the option called Use Data to Personalize My Discord Experience. Make sure this is turned on. If this is off, Discord won't generate your Wrapped, so switch it on immediately. And that's it. Once everything is enabled and your app is updated, your Discord Wrapped will appear automatically when it rolls out to your account. You'll be able to see your top servers, your most active friends, messages sent, emojis used, and all your 2025 stats in one place. If this quick tutorial helped you out, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more.